Yeah.
What kind of food do you eat?
Yes.
What's that?
Traditional food. What's your traditional food? Am I allowed to ask that?
Hambasha.
Oh God. I don't know what that is.
What is that? I don't know. Where would you? I have no idea.
كبرات تخاطرت الرفتا تي في زغان لو معنتي اب كنا كريسماس ينازلنا ناي صعدوا مالتي ميري كريسماس اند هابي نيو يير كانوا كلهم نزين رفتا تي في تخاطرتي بارلو معنتي حنت جيم ادالي لكم مالتي اب زخابي دالاس انداخرك اندازاوركو حتى من نزل سوات ابزلو ساعه تحطوا تاع نعي ملكعي ريوهم كابي عادهم كابي هاجركم وصاحو فلوطوني $100 كان هو من زفلطا مالتي ثلاث تعدل كومي زفلطا $100 كومي مالتي سلازي زياده جيم now block me from my luck then I will give you $100 I will give you 3 chances
Okay.
from the country
The country?
just try
Africa?
Yeah, so from Africa, but do you know Africa?
Somewhat.
Yeah, so what do you know about Africa?
Not too much. I just know some of the different countries or places within Africa.
Yeah, so within Africa, you have to know my country, the exact country.
Oh, okay.
3 chances.
Okay. Cameroon?
I will give you 2 chances again.
Oh gosh. Nigeria?
Just 1 chance, last chance, yeah.
Johannesburg?
Johannesburg is a city. Okay. You mean what country is that?
I'm not sure.
South Africa, right?
South Africa.
No. So that's 3 chances. So you didn't know. Happy Christmas. I will give you this, not $100, but I will give you this one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. How is the Christmas? Can you say anything?
Merry Christmas for me and my family.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate
you.
everything. Thank you. $100.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah, just guess. I'm from Africa. I'll give you a hint. I'm from Africa. So, how is Africa? Do you know Africa?
Not very well. I'm going to be honest with you.
So, is it one country? How is it?
Lots of countries. There's not one country.
Say it again?
Lots. There's lots of countries.
Okay. So, I'm from Africa. So, just guess where I am from.
I don't know. Nigeria?
I will give you 2 chances now.
I don't know. Where are you from?
$100.
Okay.
That's the question.
I have 3 chances.
3 chances, yeah.
Are you just from America?
Yeah, I'm from America, but for the origin.
Okay.
Original.
Fair. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, she can help you. Yeah, she can call you. You can call her.
Jay. Vamos. Okay, so the question is, he said, where do you think he's from? Like, his country of origin. Where do you think he's from?
I have no idea, and I don't want to assume.
Yeah, just 3 chances. I'll give you. I'm from Africa, but 3 chances. I gave you 1 hint, right? It's a hint. So I'm from Africa. So which country in Africa?
Pick one.
I don't want to.
Cameroon.
Okay, 2 chances left.
Zimbabwe.
1 chance left.
I'm thinking, is it northern or southern Africa?
Eastern Africa. So I gave you. So only 1 chance.
Alright. Yeah, I can't believe through those, didn't I?
Yeah, I have no.
Botswana.
No. Yeah. So you didn't win. I will give you a chocolate, but I will not give you $100. So
where are you from?
I'm from Eritrea.
Oh, I would
East Africa.
Never have got that. I only know a handful out.
So Merry Christmas. How is the Christmas going?
Pretty good. Can I eat some food?
So,
where are you? What's the answer?
So you don't know?
No.
So I'm from Eritrea. Okay. Have you ever heard of it?
I haven't. No.
Yeah, so it's in East Africa.
Okay.
It's called Eritrea. One, but I will give you second one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Like this.
Beautiful,
Now
beautiful.
look at him.
I like it.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Wow, wow, wow.
America?
And I will give you 3 chances. I'll give you 2 chances, okay?
Bosnia?
Say it again.
I'm
Say it
guessing that's wrong.
Say it again.
I said Bosnia?
No, I'll give you 1 chance. I'll give you a hint, okay? I'm from Africa.
Okay.
So where in Africa, exact country? Do you know how many countries in Africa? Do you know Africa? Is it
Yeah.
one country or what? How is
Oh,
that?
no. It's a continent.
Okay.
There are several countries in Africa. There are plenty.
Yeah. So where in Africa?
If I were to hazard a guess, maybe Nigeria?
No, I might give you 1 chance.
So many. Eritrea?
Eritrea.
Eritrea.
Yeah. Thank you.
Dang it. I feel like it's near the Horn of Africa. Oh, what was it called again? Jeez. Starts with an E, I believe. Let me think.
You know more about geography than I do.
What race is Omar?
What race is Omar? Bengali.
Bangladesh?
Say it again.
No, it's Bengali. I don't think it's Bengali.
Bengali. You said Bengali. 3 chances. So just say one, and
Like,
you
where's he
left
from?
two.
Like, where's his family from?
Bengali?
Bengali. So I'm not.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Okay, Bangladesh. No, I'll give you 2 chances. I'll give you a hint. So I'm from Africa. Do you know Africa?
Oh, yes. Not all of it, but yes.
So how is Africa? Is it a country? Is it what?
Are you from the Congo? The Congolese? No, not Congolese.
You want to take the chance or what?
No.
Okay.
Crap.
Okay, so it's a map.
No, that's cheating.
I don't know anything about Africa.
Really?
I'm so sorry.
Really?
I haven't think.
But do you know Africa?
Oh yeah, of course I know Africa.
So is it a country? How is it? Can you define Africa? Is it a country? Is it what? What's
It's a
It's a
continent.
It's a continent.
Yeah, there's countries.
A continent.
Africa, right?
It's a continent.
Yeah.
It's a continent. Africa's a continent. Like,
Okay. So I'm from Africa.
Okay.
So just
Big
I'll
part
give you
of
2
Africa?
chances.
oh
Yeah.
my
A
god.
big part of Africa. What are big chunks of Africa that you know?
I
Yeah.
can't think of the
Kenya?
names. No. There's 2 big parts of Africa. They're like right here.
So
Right.
which one?
And there's
Just say.
called.
Say I'll give you 2 chances.
He doesn't have
Already-
the darkest complexion, so he's probably from.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause that's why I said Congolese, but I took it back because Congolese people are like
Man, we think it's so much
darker.
time.
Oh my gosh. You guess.
Kenya?
Because I can't think.
Is it Kenya?
Yeah. Do you say Kenya?
Kenya.
Okay. 1 left. Only one chance.
Oh my
Gosh.
god. What is this? There's 2 big parts, and I forgot the names.
North, south.
I don't want to confuse you. I can tell you, but I will confuse you, right? I don't want to say anything.
Just confuse us. We're already confused. It's okay.
There's 2. I learned this from a book because it was a whole thing about moving war and stuff. And there's 2 right here, and then there's a bunch like around it.
Mm-hmm.
There's 2, but I can't remember the names. Like I know them, but I don't know them off of my head.
Do you have any other hints you can give us?
This is sad because I'm African.
In East Africa.
East Africa.
So like, from like where's that's like
That's the east.
that's like where Little Darky's from.
So, what's your name?
Patrick.
Okay. So the question is, if you know where I'm from, I'll give you $100. I'll give you 3 chances.
3 chances. Okay. I don't get any hints. I just have to like guess. Just 3 countries.
I'm from Africa, but
Africa?
you have to know the exact country.
Exact country. Okay. I know there's a lot of countries in Africa, so Ghana is my first chance.
I'll give you 2nd chance.
Okay. Ethiopia?
I will give you third chance.
Egypt?
No.
No?
No.
Darn.
I'm from Eritrea.
Where is it?
You know Eritrea?
I don't.
What about, you know Africa, right? A lot of countries. You have,
Yeah, I know that there's a lot of countries in it.
Yeah, so just go home, search Eritrea. Eritrea.
Okay.
So you'll know the country. It's in East Africa.
East Africa, okay. How big is it?
It's not big. It's a small country.
Okay.
So we have Red Sea on the eastern side.
Okay.
So you'll know there is Sudan and Ethiopia are a neighbor to us, and Djibouti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah. So this is RUFTA TV.
Okay.
So if you want to say anything, you can.
I hope y'all are enjoying getting a taste of McKinney, Texas.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you all so-
What's your name again?
Allie,
Okay, Ali. How is the Christmas going?
I'm loving it. Crazy weather, but nice.
Yeah. So the question is, if you know where I am from, I will give you $100. So it's 3 chances. I will give you 3 chances. So from 3 chances, if you get the answer, I'll give you $100.
Okay. There's a place. There's a place I know because I've met somebody that has sort of the same accent as you.
Yeah.
I forgot the name. Well, I don't want to say no. I don't want to say that place. I'm trying to think.
3 chances. You have 3 chances.
God, don't you have multiple choice? I think it starts with an A. No, it's not Nigeria. You don't know, not Nigerian because I don't think you look Nigerian.
Whatever. Just say one, and I'll give you.
I can't. There's a country that one of my friends that this girl told me. Can I pull out my phone to remember? Because I remember it's closer.
No. Just 3 chances. That's the game.
Okay, I threw Nigeria, but I know it's not Nigeria. And then the other.
So one choice. What's one chance? What's the choice? What's the choice?
What's the what?
What did you say first one?
Nigeria, but I don't.
Okay, I'll give you 2 chances now.
What's the name of the other place? I can't think. I can't think of anything. I don't. It's not Algeria. That's the other one, but I don't think it's Algeria. And I know there's another one, but once you tell me, I'm gonna hate myself because I know the name.
Yeah.
I can't think of the other one, and I know the other one's the one where you're from. God, I don't.
Just remember. Try to.
I can picture. It's actually kind of. I know I've seen it because I said, "Oh no." I don't want to throw it because I know it's not right.
Yeah. She's your friend? She's recording.
Oh, my sister. No, I don't know. It's not Algeria. It's not Nigeria.
Yeah.
It is.
She can help you. Ask her.
No, I remember I met this girl. At DSW, and she told me where she was from, and I'm like, I've never heard of that. And then she told me a little bit of the culture.
So she can.
Well, do you know where was? And this is another question. Where was this Helen from?
Oh, Helen. Yes.
Okay, but the one I remember, she wasn't from there. Ethiopia.
I'll give you second chance. So it's very close to
Eritrea. There you go. It's Eritrea where I was thinking. Oh my God! You see the E?
She got it
right here.
I'm giving up.
What is it called?
I'll give you a hint again. It starts with E.
E.
That's the last chance.
Oh my God! I think I know, but I'm gonna mess it up.
Go.
If you're from East Africa, then what here is in E?
East African?
Shut up. It's right here. Okay.
That is
E.
technically this part of the country at this point. East Africa.
Boy. But what part of Africa? Like where? Like what? What?
That's you. Go ahead.
I don't know. I was about to say Ecuador. that's down there. Anyway.
You said Ecuador?
I almost did. I'm not saying that because that's
So Ecuador.
That's-
Which part of Africa is Ecuador?
Ecuador is not part of Africa. That's South America.
But you said Ecuador, right?
No.
I already told you I'm from Africa.
Oh my gosh.
Why did you say Ecuador?
I said I was about to say Ecuador, but
Okay.
it's not.
Okay,
Okay.
so
From Africa.
you got this. It's
No,
okay.
I don't. You pressure me.
I'm so sorry. Oh,
Yeah.
I know I learned this in school. No, I didn't. I learned it on my own time. I have no idea.
yeah, we don't have any.
Just
clue.
say anything. You have third chance. Do you know any country from Africa other than Kenya?
There's Nigeria. There's this one part that I just cannot remember.
E.
Okay. This makes my stomach hurt.
You're giving her a headache, man.
Nah, stomach ache.
We have to go to the bathroom after this.
That's it.
Okay. It starts with an E.
I don't know.
Okay, there's Kenya, there's Nigeria, there's the Congo.
EU.
Yeah, I was thinking EU. But I'm not very sure.
EU?
Like,
You want to say EU?
no. Like,
We're taking so long. We just got to say something.
So I can give you chocolate if you don't know it.
I don't know. I really don't.
Serena Cumber.
Yeah, what's yours?
Alana Cumber.
Okay, so the question.
Did we get the question right?
We get $100.
Yeah. Just 3 chances, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the question is, if you know where I'm from, so from my looks,
Okay.
originally where I'm from, I'll give you $100. That's the question.
Am I allowed to ask you questions so that I can kind of narrow down where I think you might be from, or am I just based on your looks?
Based on my looks. So I'll give you a hint if you don't know anything, but just try first.
I almost feel like that's like a catch-22 if I answer wrong.
Have you ever been outside of US?
I have.
So what do you know other than the US?
Where have I been, or what do I know?
What do you know, like country or any continent or something?
Well, I mean, I work with people who are from all over the world, so I guess I could narrow down to like, I don't know where I've been. I don't know. So if I were to ask you, can I ask you questions to get the question right or no?
Let me see. What's the question?
Okay, I don't know. Do you have a specific religion that you are partial to?
I'm Christian.
You're Christian. Do you celebrate? Well, obviously.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I have to give you $100 for that.
I got this. Eritrea, right?
So what can you say? This is RUFTA TV. Can you just say anything for RUFTA TV? This is a YouTube video.
Okay. Well, first of all, this girl I met when I was, she worked at DSW.
Yeah.
She told me she was from Eritrea. I just thought when she told me, I was quite impressed. I'm like, oh, where is that? And then we talked about it. And every time I came back to DSW, I would talk to her. I loved her. Yeah. And that's why your accent, your features, I knew it was like, oh my God, I had said A, but Eritrea. Once I heard Ethiopia, it's like I went. But anyway, hugs to everybody from Eritrea. I just love cultures. I love people. And
What's the name of your dog?
What's
your name?
Max. His name is Max.
And he does look like he looks like Helen.
Helen as well.
Yeah.
But she was from Ethiopia. This other girl from DSW from Eritrea.
Yeah, and congratulations and
Thank you.
Happy Christmas.
No, Merry Christmas to you guys.
Thank you. So I'll give you $100. That's one question. I'll give you 3 chances. So where am I from?
Like where are you born?
Yeah. The origin.
Can I ask you questions?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food in your culture? Is that too obvious?
No, I will give you one hint.
Okay.
So 3 chances, okay? So it's do you know any country in Africa?
I know some.
So I'm from Africa originally.
Okay.
This is a hint. So now you'll say 3 chances, both of you. Then I'll give you $100 if you know it.
Okay.
So this is for Christmas.
You got this.
The DRC.
You want to try first?
I don't know. Maybe Holland should try first.
Yeah. What do you know except America? Have you ever traveled anywhere in the world?
I haven't.
You didn't.
I've never been out of the country now.
Only have been in Dallas.
I've been to other states.
Okay, so but not outside the US, right? What about?
I went to Uganda this summer. That's all.
Oh, Uganda. Okay. So where is Uganda?
Uganda's in Africa. It's sort of like in the middle, but south middle area, and then closer to like further further east than west.
Okay, so I'm from Africa. This is a hint. So you will. I will give you 3 chances. You already know Uganda, right?
Yes, I know Uganda.
So say anywhere from Africa, where I'm from, then I will give you $100. I will give you 3 chances for now.
Ethiopia?
No, just one. I will give you 2 chances.
Okay. Ghana, maybe?
No, just 1 chance. I'll give you 1 chance, okay?
Rwanda?
You said what?
Oh, wait. Rwanda? I don't know.
What is that, Rwanda or?
Rwanda?
No, unfortunately, you didn't know. What about except Ethiopia? You have been in Ethiopia before?
I have not been to Ethiopia. The only place I've been is Uganda.
Okay, so you didn't know because there's 3 chances. I am from Eritrea. Actually, you didn't know about that. So do you know Eritrea?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard?
Yeah.
How do you know? You have been with some people or?
I haven't been. I just like in freshman year of high school, we like memorize all the African countries on the map.
Studied it.
I know of it. Yeah. It's small, right?
Small country, yeah.
Small.
Very
like,
small, yeah.
Yeah.
It's in East Africa.
Okay.
So it's neighbor to Ethiopia, which
Okay.
you have mentioned, and Sudan and Red Sea.
Okay.
So you didn't know, you didn't answer the question, but I'll give you 2 chocolates for Christmas, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
But
you.
yeah.
That's cool.
Okay. So how is Christmas going on?
Good. It's been good.
You are enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm not from Dallas, but I'm visiting family, and it's been fun.
Okay.
I don't know where you're from.
Okay. I'll give you chocolate then.
I can have chocolate.
That's
That's the best part.
So can you say anything for Christmas? Let me
maybe.
give you the chocolate first. Yeah.
Thank you
This
so
is
much.
for-
Thank you.
So this is the RUFTA TV. Can you say anything for RUFTA TV followers?
Thank you for letting us try. Can we find out now, though? Do we get to at least know?
Yeah, that's it.
Where are you from?
I'm from Eritrea.
Oh, we would never guess that.
Eritrea.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever heard Eritrea?
No, we haven't.
No. I was thinking something else.
Is it smaller?
It's in East Africa. It's very small country, so you can see it's near neighbor to Ethiopia, Sudan. So have you ever heard
I was thinking of
Sudan?
Sudan.
Have you ever heard Sudan?
Yes.
Yes.
So how is Christmas going on?
It's pretty good so far, you know. Republic of Congo?
No, just 2 chances left.
Okay.
You got it. I've never been.
South Africa?
No.
Is that too far down?
It's just 1 chance, last chance.
Let me think.
You don't want to say anything?
Nigeria?
No, unfortunately you didn't know it. I'll give you chocolate, okay, for Christmas.
Okay.
Where
are you from?
You didn't win $100. I'm from Eritrea. You know Eritrea? It's in East Africa.
Okay, I've never been.
You haven't heard about that?
I have not.
What about you?
I have, from like school and stuff.
School, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm from Eritrea. So how is Christmas going? How is everything?
It's good. We're on a little vacation in Dallas, so
Yeah.
we're gonna enjoy ourselves down here while we can. But
Yeah.
it's been fun.
You are off school or off work?
Just on a little vacation off school.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. I will give you the chocolate.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
I'm so then obviously you believe it. Oh, God,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
What kind of food do you eat?
Yes.
What's that?
Traditional food. What's your traditional food? Am I allowed to ask that?
Hambasha.
Oh God. I don't know what that is.
What is that? I don't know. Where would you? I have no idea. What?
So, do you know Europe or Asia, Africa or something?
Yeah, I guess enough.
So, do I look from Asia, from Europe, from Africa? What does?
I would be.
You will narrow that the question then again.
I wouldn't say. I wouldn't say Asia. I would say more.
So I'm from Africa. Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say more African.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would say, I would say African. East Indian African is what I'm going for.
Yeah, but you have to know the country now.
So I would say Pakistan.
Okay, so Pakistan is in Africa, right?
Is it?
I was thinking Ethiopia.
Okay, just one chance. So that's okay. So
How many times would you
I know, that was good.
how do you know Ethiopia?
I don't. I just know of it.
Yeah, so I'll give you two chances.
Because you
now.
said Africa, right?
Yeah,
Is Ethiopia in Africa?
Yes, yes, yes.
I think
it
it's
is.
in Africa.
Yes, it is.
So that's what, I don't know. It's just one of my guesses.
Yeah, that's a good guess. So
Okay.
I'll give you two chances now.
Okay.
Oh,
that's
after
not it?
That's not it.
Oh. I don't really.
Oh gosh, I don't know if they're okay.
I don't know many other countries.
Yeah, so if you don't know, I'll give you one chocolate because I don't have two chocolates.
Okay.
She's all chocolate's fine. Chocolate's fine.
That's better than money.
I know. I don't
so
know.
if you won't try two chances, I'll give you.
That's all I can
but-
think of.
but-
Though.
I
I mean,
know.
like where else in?
We need John. Where is he?
I know. I'm like geographically challenged. Other than Africa,
I am too.
is kind of
So let me give you the chocolate, right?
Okay.
okay.
We'll take
Fair
it.
enough. We'll take the chocolate. Are you going to tell us what the answer is?
Yeah, I will tell you the answer. Let me give you the chocolate first. So I'm from.
Thank
I
you.
think
Whoa,
you-
that's a nice one. Thank you.
Yeah.
So tell us where you're
I
from.
was asking some people here, so I finished my chocolate.
Okay.
I could give you two chocolates, but this one now.
If you tell me Mauritius, I'm going to be like.
I'm from Eritrea, so she know
I've never
very
heard of
close.
Okay.
So it's neighbor to Ethiopia.
Oh,
Okay.
The
okay.
small country is in East Africa. Maybe you can Google it later.
Uh-huh.
So it's called Eritrea.
Okay.
Have you ever heard about that?
Eritrea?
Eritrea.
Eltria.
Yeah.
No, I've never heard of it in my life.
Yeah, me either.
Never.
Yeah. When you كبرات سمعتنا خبرات تخاطبتي روفتا تي حنسب